Hello there, welcome to a video that is talking about possessive pronouns in comparative sentences. To begin with, I'm talking to you about the possessive pronouns. They indicate the implied noun in the sentence that owns or possesses something. We use possessive pronouns to replace a possessive adjective and a noun. Yes, you did it great. These are the possessive pronouns in English: mine, yours, its, hers, his, ours, and theirs. Now we use the possessive pronouns in comparative sentences just to avoid repetition of some words. Let's find out the examples in the next comparative sentences. Check this out. The dog is much friendlier than ours. This dog is much friendlier than hers. What we're doing here is just avoid repeating the word. Exactly, dog. We could say this dog is much friendlier than your dog, or this dog is much friendlier than my dog. But instead of repeating the word dog, we are using the possessive pronouns. Now more examples in comparative sentences using these possessive pronouns. Check this out. Mine is more expensive, while his has a longer battery. Another one. I think ours is more dynamic than other companies' ideas. More great ideas to help you. They assured the public that theirs are more functional. Are you identifying which words are avoiding being repeated? She said hers are more realistic than shoes that can hover. Now think about these two questions. Which phone is newer, yours or mine? Whose devices are more expensive, yours or mine? I think that was marvelous. You are a winner because you have learned how to use possessive pronouns in comparative sentences. So that is a big thank you for watching and learning with me.